I am going back to see Mona. I couldn't find a video for this day. You know, this video which the art I made was on the 20th of June, but there wasn't any video, any kind of vlog video to accompany it, so I had to film this instead, which I don't mind. I just mean it's unusual. I'm sure I tried to maintain a vlog for the challenge but got lost somehow. I did find video that I should have used for yesterday's video, but never mind, it's fine. It's been nice to revisit the vlog a little bit and start to upload what I've been making. When I initially started the challenge, I had this concept that I'll be uploading videos every day, and then when it didn't happen, I knew that it would be months, because I could already feel that it was too much for me to maintain. So instead, it would have to wait until I could feasibly, what am I trying to say? Yeah, manage the time is what I'm trying to say, sorry. Head just goes cloudy sometimes when the camera's on. Recently, I was asked by a gallery to produce a couple of abstract pieces of artwork. It's not really my speciality, although I do enjoy making abstract art when I do. On this occasion, I must confess, it was more to do with time and trying to do anything for the challenge than it was an interest in exploring abstraction. I'd really like to invest more thought and effort and real instinct into the mark making and production of an abstract piece of work, but on this occasion it was a means to an end. It's not the best way to make art, but you still will discover things on the way, in my experience anyway. I certainly did with this, and I can see it in the process of making this piece that there were stages where I preferred the piece midway through, and that's a lot of the time can be the case, not just with my own art, but when I watch other people make art, I'll appreciate the piece of artwork they're making halfway through or 2/3 of the way through. It's unfortunate, and there's not much you can do about that at that time, but hopefully that will make me and you and other people stop. If we can reflect upon our preferences and, after the fact, we can then try to take breaks when we're making the piece of work. And those breaks will give us a bit of distance where we can look at the art objectively and not feel quite so engaged with the process, because that's where I get lost, is making the piece of artwork becomes a mission. It has stressful points and it has enjoyable moments, and that's usually how I experience making artwork, whether it's figurative, abstract or anything else. It's always a mixture of feelings. So for this piece, I really liked parts of it, and I think I liked it when there was more white space than how I leave it at the end, but it's still an interesting experiment, and I appreciate having the piece as part of the collection for this challenge. Whether it will go anywhere or whether it will stay in a folder, I couldn't tell you. At the moment it's in a folder with lots and lots of other submissions, but I wouldn't mind trying to explore something similar to this and instead stopping partway through. I don't know if you're doing this, but please feel free to draw along with me if you're watching these videos, because it can be fun to just play and to even copy people's work. So feel free, because none of this is anything that is intentional for any gallery space. The gallery that asked me for the work, I haven't given them anything yet, but it was fun to do this piece and this challenge. Roads are busy. There's still tourists around. It makes me wish I had cameras out of each window. It'd be nice to capture some of the goings on for footage to use and for reference to draw or paint. But when I try it with my phone, it's not clear enough. At some point I'm going to set up a camera out of that video and this one. Look at that. Yeah, can you hear that? Don't think I'll get copyright claimed for that. There's some crashy, bangy music. I think it sounds live, so that's good. Anyway, each day that I go to see Mona, I try to practice a little bit on the piano. It's a keyboard really, but it's got a piano pedal on it and it's upright, so it's kind of acts as a piano. And I'm only trying one tune at the moment. It's Moonlight Sonata Movement number 3, I think. I might have to correct that, it'll be on the screen. But yeah, it's tricky. It's been getting slightly better each time, but only either the tempo that I play or the softness that I touch the keys with, or a slight bit more of the melody unlocked.